Here we are at the marina. My car lasted. There's Greg.
It's gone.
What?
The building.
Oh shit.
The building that's always been there is gone.
Holy crap. It's about time.
It is about time.
Yeah. It's the river. Hey. Island Camping 2018. We got one hammock over there. There's a little tenty camp spot. Somebody already nicely left all this pre-cut wood. So that's all gonna go up in one night. There's Keo. There's some yaks. Slumber pad 1. He's sleeping. Uh-oh. Slumber pad number 2. And yeah, about all that's going on right now. See you later. Okay, day 2. It's home. Nothing much to report, but I haven't filmed much, so let's film some stuff. Greg's home.
Oh man, that's what it looks like in that place north of Dubuque. Yeah. You got GoPro? Hey!
Oh yeah!
I mean, that's how the campsites are. There's another campsite.
Woo. Look at that wake. There's the other homes. Yep. That's about all we got for now. We can do the obligatory GoPro selfie shot. Hi. Whoa. Whoa. Now we enter the exciting world of island camping. Greg. There's Mike.
have just bought a shark. Yeah, you have to take every day. Push forward, Greg. Look at Mike. Total hillbilly up there. He's trying. He has no idea what he's doing. Yeah. Maybe if I do this.
I got garlic.
Yeah. I got stuff. Kind of a nice perspective, you know? Dave, make sure you get us so it's like, oh, there's people in the water.
You mean that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Came up to the top, so I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's way out there.
I watched him come up.
Yeah, because for me, the first year was...
It's not a minnow. The one minnow I had. No idea what it is. No idea.
Oh!
You suck! Jump in the water and get that fish! We had to say that, Mike. Sorry. What happened there?
He spit the hook out.
Oh.
And the end. And this is what the campsite looks like now.
More slobs.
A lot of standing around and sitting and doing nothing. They're both naked. Oh, it's good. It's fisheye lens too, so it probably looks cool. Okay, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this. But the wind is blowing on my guitar strings and naturally making them ring out. And now brings the ending morning of Island Camping 2018. That's what's left.
Make one more sweep in that direction. Then come back this way. Come back this way.
Oh.